Hey, if you are using the JBL Tune 500 or 520, if you have this issue that you want to play your songs and the sound comes from your phone speaker instead of the headphones, like in my case. So first, you have to open the Bluetooth settings, click on the settings icon, and then you have to select the media audio switcher. So just be sure that this function is enabled. And now when you play it, as you can see, we've got this issue fixed. But if you still have this issue, so I can recommend you to perform the soft reset of the headphones. So first unpair them from your phone, then power off Bluetooth. Now grab your headphones, locate the power button, it's just right here. Now click and hold it and wait until this indicator turns off. Now just repeat. Let me just catch focus. Okay, here we are. So click and hold on this button and now wait until this indicator starts flashing blue. There we go. Now release, and on your phone turn on the Bluetooth back and click to pair new device. Select your JBL Tune 500 or JBL Tune 520, click pair, and now tell me if it works for you. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.